Hello, everybody. Good to see you. And let's sing hello before we start doing anything else today. You ready? Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello. And clap hello to everyone. Clap hello to everyone. Clap hello to everyone. Clap hello. Have a good wiggle before we settle down. Ready? Wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello. I wiggled my fingers then, did you see? We might need our hands quite a little bit now. We're going to do something with our hands in a minute. But first of all, we've got to have something to do it with. Play-Doh. How do we make it? Well, we need a bowl and we need a spoon. And we need a cup, so we can measure out all the same things, the same amount of everything to go in here. So the spoon can measure some things, and the cup can measure some things. Let's see what we're going to put in, and then we'll sing about it. So first of all, most of the Play-Doh is flour. Here's a big bag. It looks as if somebody was planning to make some cakes and biscuits. I think they've got jam or cherry. Ours is going to be Play-Doh, something to play with, not something to eat. There's the flour. We're going to put some cups of flour, and then we're going to put some salt. We're not going to eat it. It's going to be for playing with, and the salt helps it to keep nice and stay good to play with for a really long time. And then I'm going to put in one more dry thing, and that's a special thing called cream of tartar. And you grown-ups out there, if you haven't got any, don't worry, it doesn't really matter, but it is quite good because that also helps the Play-Doh stay soft and smooth and nice. And then some ordinary cooking oil. Doesn't matter what kind it is, but just cooking oil. And if you have a look, grown-ups, in our newsletter that came out on the 3rd of October, you can see the whole recipe and how to do it. But just in case you can't get to that newsletter, let me show you this. I'll hold it up for a few minutes. I wonder what it says, children. I think it says what you put in there and what you do. A list of instructions and ingredients, and it's really easy to make. And when it says heat, make it hot, it doesn't mean put a jumper on it or it's soft woolly hat. It means cook it a little bit. Pop it in a microwave and you can stir it up in a saucepan. You'll know when it's ready. So that's about making the Play-Doh. What comes out at the other end? What comes out? What does the Play-Doh look like? Well, you can, if you want, put a little bit of colouring in. I've got some green here, but it doesn't matter if you don't, because ordinary coloured, whitish, sort of greyish Play-Doh is just fine. Really doesn't matter. It just feels nice to play with. So let's see what came out when we finished cooking. Oh, look, some Play-Doh. Now, isn't that lovely? It looks to me like it's the sort of thing that we could feel with our hands. Is it cold? No, it's warm because it's just been cooked. Is it really hard? No. Oh, looks really quite soft to me, soft and smooth. I wonder what happens if we squash it. Let's see. Squash. Oh, look. Squeeze. That feels nice. Squash and squeeze. Let's try giving it pokes as well. Look. Oh, look. Put my finger in and look what happened. It's got a hole inside. Oh, it's beginning to look like something. maybe in a minute we'll try making something. But first of all, let me show you 2 ways of rolling. Look, if you roll round and round like this, round and round and round and round, your Play-Doh will be like a ball. If you roll a different way, if you go backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards, watch what's happening. Can you see? My Play-Doh isn't a ball anymore. It's like magic. My Play-Doh is a sausage. Look at that. Big people will know a cylinder shape. Oh, I've got a sausage and I had a ball. And now magic, magic. Squash, squash, squash. Oh, it makes me think about a rolling rhyme. Are you ready? We're going to go up, and we're going to go up slowly doing rolling. Ready? Roly poly, ever so slowly, up, 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 up. Are you high? Ready to roll down? We're going to go very fast. Roly poly, ever so quickly, down, 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 down. Roly poly, ever so slowly, up, 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 up. Roly poly, ever so fast, down, 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 down. Okay, let's go back to our Play-Doh now. Now we've exercised our arms and our hands a bit. Are we ready to roll? What can we make? I'd love to make a mouse. Oh, a mouse out of Play-Doh? Well, it's got a bally shaped head. Look, can I put my hand around it? Well, bally shape. Look at its body. That's got a bally shape too. Wonder what would happen if we made a big ball like this to make a body. Then roll a smaller ball. And we can put it on top. Can you just see? Could be a person. Bet some people are thinking, oh, there's a snow person. But no. What about if we made some eyes, nose, some ears? Wow. Let's have a look. Here's my mouse. I'm going to hold it right up so you can say hello. Hi. 2 balls of Play-Doh. And do you know, I also found a little bit of string to make it a tail. And then it's really my friend, my little Play-Doh mouse. Now I wanted to make the snail. Now, what was that other shape that we rolled? Not the ball one, the other one. We rolled backwards and forwards. Let's try that again. Oh yes, I remember now. A long, thin sausage shape, like this. Oh yes, look, it's getting really long and thin now. Wow. I'm going to try rolling it up into a spiral. Do you remember we talked about this last week? And I think you might have seen some pictures of this in the newsletter if you've got the newsletter. Oh, who do you think this might be? Who's this coming along? Wow, she needs some tentacles for her eyes. Let me show you something I found. When I made my one, I found 2 old matches and I put them onto my snail for her eye. There's a rolled up spiral shell and there are her eyes. You don't have to have matchsticks or string. You can just do it with your Play-Doh, but it's quite fun, especially if you want to play with them and keep them as pets. You might want to put these into a little old tea bag box or something like that. Put some leaves in and pretend that you had some real snails to play with. Wonder what mine's called. Hello, are you Sally Snail? No. Oh well. So that's how we can make things. Let's see if we can do another little poem about a snail and a mouse. Now, isn't that funny? I'm going to start with the snail and it's going to slither along. You can do it on your tummy, and you can do it on your arm. It's going to go very slowly. First of all, the snail. Slowly, slowly, very slowly, creeps the garden snail. Slowly, slowly, very slowly, up the wooden rail. That snail's nearly at the top. Mind it doesn't for you. Now the mouse. Ready? The mouse doesn't go slowly. How does the mouse go? The mouse goes quickly. Quickly, quickly, very quickly. Runs the little mouse. Quickly, quickly, very quickly. All about the house. And then maybe give yourself a little tickle. Quite nice if you're a very little person to have whoever grown up is looking after you, do a slowly, slowly up your arm and it tickles you a bit. And then when the mouse goes quickly, quickly, it can tickle your tummy. So that's our mouse and that's our snail. And they're coming now. Say goodbye to you. Bye-bye, Sally Snail. Bye-bye, Mary Mouse. See you again soon. It's time for us to sing goodbye. Oh, look. I think they're saying goodbye as well. Putting them down so I can wave with you. It's been nice to see you. It's goodbye from Judy, Claire and Coralie in the Toy Library. I hope to see some of you on Tuesday on Zoom. And if not, hope you're enjoying watching these. Okay. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye. And kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye. Bye, everybody. See you soon.